Hello and welcome to SDN Tech Forum. We'll continue our SD routing journey. You have seen we onboarded our home router, branch router to SD routing so that it is available in vManage and we can do real-time monitoring and troubleshooting. Let's take one step further. That means use vManage to run some operational workflow. And in this case, we are going to upgrade our router to the next release without touching the router, all by vManage. All right, so let's go to vManage real quick. We will go to monitor devices and look at our devices, or maybe let me filter with our site, which is site 53. We have two routers, 1111, 1131. We'll be focusing on 1131 here. You can see we have the reachability up, and now I'm going to introduce you to the workflow. Come to the workflow, and here you can see software upgrade. This is the workflow, device software upgrade. Let's do it. From here, this is a 4-step process, 1 to 4, and each step, what you're doing here, software upgrade process overview, select device to upgrade, select software image and image location, and then summary. So device to upgrade, filter your device, then you can say next. Here you have to select a remote server. Workflow only support a remote server. That means a server which is reachable from your router. So the router, think of router as a client and image server as obviously the server, so that a router can copy the software image from the server. They need to have the reachability and whatever protocol you are planning to use, they need to support that protocol. So here, as you can see, I have created a couple of servers. However, if you want to create a new one, you have to come here, server IP or DNS name, server name. So the IP should be reachable. Then protocol, we have a couple of choices here, FTP, HTTP, and SCP. We are going to do SCP in this case, that means using port 22. And then how that remote server is reachable, VPN 0 or 512. But don't worry, vManage essentially doesn't need to know where the server lives. The server, remote server, is only required to have a reachability from the target, which is SD router in this case. And obviously, if you decide to do SCP, then you need a credentials. So come here, hit edit and apply username and password, and also make sure that you provide the image prefix, that mean the absolute path. So whatever is the home directory, or you have a specific folder where you are storing all these images, so make sure you provide the path, not the image name, just the path, so that the path prefix and image name combined together, they are going to create one absolute path, right? I'm going to cancel it here and go to one of my image repo. Here, as you can see, this is the simple Linux box running at home, sitting next to this router. And how it looks like 192.168.10.4, which is a LAN subnet of my router. And from here, you have to select the image. So we have already selected the device. Device is Catalyst 1K. And then you can see all the details. Protocol of choice is SCP. Then you have to come and say select image, what image you want to upgrade, and all you have to do is give the image name, not the path, just the image name. In our case, we are going to 17.13, so just use that image name. And then next is upgrade process. Do you want to download and upgrade, or you want to download only? Please remember, at this point of time, this is 2013 SD-WAN version, we only support download and upgrade, like one shot install. And from there, what you can do, you can say scheduler, do you want to initiate this upgrade process right now, or you want to schedule it for later? And then you can give it as some friendly name in case you want that. All right. Finally, you can review the task, and this is nothing but the summary of task, like which device you want to upgrade, what will be the upgrade process looks like, from which version to what version you are going, and all those things. And then you can close and hit next and watch that. To save some time, I'm just going to walk you through the recording or the logs so that we can wrap this up quickly. So I just finished upgrading this router C1131 from 1712 to 1713, and let me show you a few things here. So this is our remote server, and as you can see, we have image available here, and it is available at the image prefix /home/sdn1, and this is my image name. So this is the information you will need when you are creating remote server. The next is when you hit next and it will start the process, then you can watch the process by by going to your task. As you can see, I have no active task, but I have completed task, and within that completed task, this is our software installed. Now let me show you. This is a pretty recent task what we just completed. Go to action, expand this. You can see software install action submitted for execution. So when you initiate the workflow, that means download and upgrade, this is the complete workflow log, what is happening here. So my current uh, software version was 1712, and now we are requesting upgrade requested for software image. This is our path 17.13. Configure upgrade confirm timer is 15. So there are some default timer going on. SCP to download the software image name is this, and then we are doing some kind of like pre-check. Basically we are trying to make sure that we have enough memory in router available. Okay, and image compatibility check also that yes, this is a compatible version with 2013. Very nice. Disk space check, system load check, memory use check, config register check. So we are running some kind of like best practices pre-check. Then after pre-check, once it is successful, we are downloading. So as you can see, SCP and then the username, destination, and the name prefix. So what is happening here? vManage essentially uh, initiate a command from router, SD router, that SCP to this remote server and download this image in Flash. Okay, that's what happening here. Once it is done, then you will see we are doing one shot install. That means install, add, activate, commit. That's where you can see the add part was done here. Then we have activate and the upgrade install complete. So this is the complete log from vManage side. So you don't have to do anything going to router and all those things. Everything was done via controller itself. That's the power. That's the reason we onboarded it to SD routing. So we can do real-time monitoring and troubleshooting. At the same time, we can do some operational tasks, especially uh, upgrading the device using the workflow. So this is the log from vManage side. Let me go to the router console to show you some logs over there. Okay, pretty verbose, but what I want to show you is where we are getting a confirmation. So as you can see, vManage was doing a bunch of things here, and we got a confirmation where it says install completed, started install commit package. As you can see, after activate, commit, and completed install commit package, and then it is running 17.13 from 17.12. So that's how easy it is to upgrade your router if you go SD routing. So why not take advantage of this feature and get ready to do more exciting stuff like applying security policies and etc. That's what we are going to do in the next video. So stay tuned and stay healthy. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.